Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. I know finally I'm uploading a video. So guys, unfortunately I'm not getting back 100% on YouTube. There is a reason for that, a personal reason for that. But maybe later I'll make a live stream. I'm thinking about to do that, explaining why I stopped uploading. The reason, it's really simple actually. It's due health problems related with my wife. But maybe, as I said, maybe I will make a live stream where we can talk, and you can make your questions if you have some questions to me, if you want to know something about me. And guys, maybe you can hear it, a little bit of noise on the background. That is kids playing right where I am. You know that I usually record on my mother's house, on my mother's garage, but it is what it is. This is a simple video, and I'm just doing because I couldn't find any video explaining how to replace this taillight. Right now what I'm gonna do is to show you how to replace this one, because the ones that are in this car, maybe you cannot see it in camera, but they are really faded, and probably if I do this, probably, or maybe you can see it. Probably like this you can see it, okay? And that is a huge difference between this one and this one. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe. I usually restore cars in like a do-it-yourself format. This means that I usually do a video showing how to do something, but in fact I'm trying to recover a good condition to a car. Okay guys, let's go. So guys, once you open the trunk, you have a trim right here, of course. Let me focus. All you need to do is to remove this plastic cover right here, and actually if you want to replace a bulb, you should also open this or remove this plastic cover. Once you remove this plastic cover, you will have access to the nuts that you need to remove to remove the taillight. And also if you need to replace a bulb right here, you also need to open this. So guys, once you remove plastic cover, you'll have a screw right here and the nut. All you need to do is to remove the nut. There is a plastic that will come out that is locking the light, and this is pretty easy, but maybe I can show you here. You can see on this one, once you remove this nut right here, you'll be able to pull out this plastic, which is the one that is locking the taillight. I believe this is a 10 mil, okay? Yeah, 10 mil, and that's it guys, let's go. So guys, as you can see, I already removed the nut and the plastic that is locking. All you need to do right now, as you can see, this is released right now. I will close right here. I didn't disconnect the cable, so disconnect the cable also. So guys, one thing that I would like to mention, when I bought this, I searched for the part number, which is, let me see, 8P4, it's right here, 8P4 945094D. And this one is B, okay? So, what is the difference of this? So, the car that I'm working right now, it's Audi A3 from 2008, yeah, 2008, and is the transition for the next model. The next model already have this with LEDs. I already disconnected this, okay, don't worry. And the older version don't have. And in fact, the problem of these taillights is the older version, they start getting, you know, whited. I already sent this, but didn't work really well. But what I need to do, probably if you are working at 2009 and 10 or something like that, you will have this one. If you are working on a 2008, you will have this one. So all I need to do is to replace this board right here. okay, and install on this one. This one, or the newer version, is a 4-pin connector, and the older one, it's 3-pin. What I'm gonna do is to replace to this one, okay, with one hand, not that easy. Okay, now I put this on this one, and it's done. So let's install. So guys, probably cannot see it in the camera, but there is a huge difference between the old one and the new one. Right now maybe you can realize, probably the camera is not capturing, but this is really faded. Guys, this is a problem that came in the first versions of these taillights. If you search for this part without LED, all of them, for used one of course, all of them, they are faded, guys. And the newer version, maybe Audi knows that, and they changed something maybe, and the newer version already don't have this problem. Okay, you can see it here. I'm not sure if you can see it, because to see it in my camera it's a pain in the ass, but I believe you can see it. It is a huge difference. So what I'm gonna do right now is to replace this one. You can see it here, this one right here, and job is done. I hope this video could help, because YouTube don't have a lot of information of replacing this, and that's the only reason that I did it. And I hope really soon I will get back to the one upload at least for weeks. So guys, that's all for today, and as usual guys, see you soon, stay tuned.